In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a YouTube official artist channel OAC with Distrokid. By the end, you'll know exactly how to combine your personal YouTube channel, your automatically generated topic channel, and your music releases into one official artist profile with the music note verification badge, unified subscribers and views, and access to artist tools on YouTube Meet Music. Before you start, make sure you meet the requirements. You need a YouTube channel that's dedicated to your artist project, set to public, with no policy violations, and representing only one artist or band. You also need at least one release distributed through Distrokid that's live on YouTube Music. That release is what triggers YouTube to create your automatic topic channel, which is essential for the process. First, upload your music through Distrokid the same way you normally would. During distribution, confirm that YouTube Music is selected as a destination. Consistent metadata helps. Use the exact same artist name you want on YouTube and make sure your artwork and titles match your branding. Then wait until the release is live on YouTube Music before proceeding. Next, locate your topic channel. After delivery, YouTube automatically creates a channel called something like Artist Name Topic. Search your artist name on YouTube and look for the topic version that contains your releases. Open it and verify that the tracks and artwork are yours so you know you found the correct one. Now open the Distrokid YouTube official artist channel tool inside your Distrokid account. This is where you'll connect everything together. Have three things ready: the URL of your personal YouTube channel, the link to your topic channel, and your artist name exactly as it appears on your releases. Submit your channels in the tool, carefully selecting your personal YouTube channel and the correct topic channel. Double check that your personal channel is public and branded for your music, and that the topic channel truly belongs to you. Accuracy here helps prevent delays. When everything looks right, submit the request. Distrokid forwards it to YouTube for review. Approval can take a few days, but sometimes it may run 2 to 6 weeks. While you wait, avoid changing channel names or privacy settings. After approval, your topic channel merges into your main channel, your subscribers and views unify, and you'll see the official artist channel music note badge. You'll also gain access to artist tools on YouTube Music. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give it a little time, refresh, or sign out and back in. That's it. Your OAC is set up through Distrokid.